Are you still drowning in manual spreadsheets every single month end? What if an AI agent could handle your reconciliations, manage journal entries, and close your books autonomously? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at Trintech, a cloud-based financial close and account reconciliation platform that is bringing agentic AI to the finance and accounting world. Instead of just basic automation, Trintech uses specialized AI agents like their variance analysis agent, flux agent, and exception management agent to actively predict, decide, and execute financial tasks at scale. The platform is designed to seamlessly connect your entire close process, covering everything from transaction matching and daily reconciliations to intercompany close management, journal entries, and compliance reporting. According to Trintech, the system can deliver incredible results, including auto-match rates of over 99% and up to a 75% shorter time to close. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, having AI agents that can proactively anticipate and resolve exceptions keeps your workflow moving without constant human intervention. However, because we don't have independent third-party user reviews in our database for Trintech, we can't give you a detailed breakdown of real-world user complaints or ease-of-use drawbacks. If you want to see if Trintech lives up to the hype and fits your team's workflow, we highly recommend heading over to trintech.com to book a live demo. What do you think? Is agentic AI the future of accounting? Let us know in the comments below. Drop a like if this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.